Have you ever wondered what the future holds for supercars? Will they be all electric, or will they still roar with the might of a V-16 engine? It's a question that's been on the minds of car enthusiasts and industry insiders alike. A debate, if you will, that's fueling the automotive world's trajectory in the 21st century. On one side, we have the rise of electric vehicles, whispering promises of silent speed and zero emissions. On the other, the growl of combustion engines, an echo of history that's getting harder and harder to ignore. The scales seem to be tipping in favor of the former, with more and more manufacturers embracing the electric revolution. But wait, not so fast. There's a twist in the tale. A brand, an icon, a symbol of unyielding power and elegance, seems to have made its mind up about where it stands in this debate. And that brand is none other than Bugatti. Well, one iconic brand, Bugatti, seems to have made up its mind on where they stand in this debate. Bugatti, a name that resonates with power, speed, and luxury. But how did it become such a titan in the supercar world? It all started in the year 1909 when a visionary named Ettore Bugatti laid the foundation for what would become an automotive legend. Bugatti was not just about building cars. It was about creating masterpieces that fused art and engineering in a way that hadn't been seen before. Over the years, Bugatti's evolution has been nothing short of spectacular. Each model that rolled off the production line was a testament to Bugatti's commitment to craftsmanship, engineering prowess, and an insatiable quest for speed. The Type 35, which dominated the racing world in the 1920s and 30s, the luxurious Type 57, and the iconic Veyron, once the fastest production car in the world, are just a few examples of Bugatti's storied legacy. Bugatti cars have always been more than just transportation. They are a symbol of status, a statement of power and elegance. Each Bugatti is a marvel of design and technology, a testament to the manufacturer's relentless pursuit of perfection. This pursuit has led to some of the fastest, most luxurious, and most coveted cars in the world. And now, Bugatti is ready to write the next chapter in its rich history. In a world increasingly dominated by electric vehicles and hybrids, Bugatti is poised to redefine what a supercar can be, once again. Bugatti just gave us our first taste of its hybrid V16 engine, the beating heart of the car set to replace the legendary Chiron. This is not just another engine, but an audacious blend of the past and future. A hybrid V16 powerplant that roars with power and hums with efficiency. Bugatti, the French supercar manufacturer, is no stranger to defying expectations and pushing the envelope of what's possible. This time, they have outdone themselves, creating an engine that's not just a powerhouse, but a harmonious fusion of tradition and innovation. Imagine a V16 engine, already a marvel of mechanical engineering, now enhanced with hybrid technology. It's like watching a symphony orchestra play to the rhythm of a pulsating electronic beat. The new Bugatti, yet to be named, is described by the manufacturer as incomparable in every detail and a pure embodiment of Bugatti's DNA. This isn't just marketing speak. Every aspect of the car, from its aerodynamic design to its luxurious interior, is meticulously crafted to embody the essence of Bugatti. This is a car that doesn't just perform, it makes a statement. To get an idea of what this hybrid V16 engine sounds like, Bugatti released a short teaser video. And let me tell you, it's music to the ears of any car enthusiast. The engine speeds through the gears, each shift punctuated by a deliciously guttural roar that sends shivers down your spine. It's a symphony of mechanical harmony, a testament to Bugatti's engineering prowess. But this isn't just about making a car that goes fast. The hybrid V16 engine is a bold statement about the future of automobiles. While the world is slowly shifting to electric vehicles, Bugatti shows us that there's still a place for the passion and soul of a traditional engine, especially when it's combined with the efficiency of a hybrid. What's more, this car is not just designed for today or tomorrow. In the words of Bugatti, it's designed pour l'éternité, for eternity. That's a grand claim, but Bugatti has the track record to back it up. After all, this is the company that gave us the Chiron, a car that redefined what we thought was possible in a supercar. The new Bugatti, along with its hybrid V16 engine, will be revealed this June. But Bugatti poetically says it was designed not just for the present, but pour l'éternité. A bold claim, but then again, that's what Bugatti does best, isn't it?